Hello, this is Holly Walsh again with tutorial number 2. Here I'm going to teach you how to write your own title page. So you need to click on this, go to text box if you want to add a text box, and say what you were talking about, saying the blizzard of 2018, January 4th, 2018 in Massachusetts. And also to your title page, blizzard of 2018. We can make that smaller. Let's do a heading like that. We can do a subheading, or we can just do normal text. I really don't like the small, and that's kind of big, so I'm going to go with heading, which I like. If you want to do a header type, you can do like add a banner, a large banner like that. Title only. If you want to add a page, we just go to pages and click on add a page, and we put a page name saying inches of snow. Done. And then it's loading, and then we insert another text box and say we here in Massachusetts received 19 inches of snow along with snow drifts that lasted about 12 hours. And then you hit that. If you want to, again, want to change the header type, you can change the header type. Subheading, title, like that. So this is how you do the title page and text in your text boxes. Thank you.